my name's Julia. I just moved to the North Shore of Oahu. You can check out my photos on AJ Coastal. My husband and I love to document our travels. We're from Florida. And today I'm going to be showing you what you can get for only $900 a month in Hawaii. First room when you walk in is the living room, hangout area. The best part of this space is that it came with a TV, which is a necessity for quarantine. So much Netflix on this amazing, nice blue couch. I think perfect Hawaii style. Made me feel at home. My favorite part of this area though is coming over here. You have probably not the best, but an ocean view. This whole space, there's really nothing going on here. The last tenants apparently used it as a yoga room, but I'm sure we can figure something out, something to do right here. Next up, we have the kitchen. The best part of the kitchen is that it came fully stocked. So we have silverware, basically the ideal situation for when you're moving all the way to Hawaii and don't want to have to buy new things, especially with quarantine. An oven, a stove, a microwave, all the places we were looking at before that were way more, $1,300, only had like a hot plate and a mini fridge. So sink, we have food, a new fridge, an ice maker, which is probably my favorite thing because I don't know what I would do without that. A whole dining table, haven't sat at it yet. But maybe once we get some Hawaii friends, we'll have some nice dinner parties. So down this way to the left, we have one of the couples that also lives here and the bathroom right here. Pretty standard bathroom. We got towel hooks, a sink, a shower. The window's always open, which I like because I shower 5 a.m. every morning, time change, and I can hear the roosters and the trees blowing. So it's great. Then down this way, we have the other couple that live in this room. They're not here yet, but they will be. Here is our favorite spot, the bedroom. I love this place so much. It's so bright, so nice. White bed sheets, white walls, palm trees all around. Came with a closet, storage, and air conditioning, which is actually a gem in Hawaii. Not many places have it, so we are very lucky to have it at night. And then my favorite part, we were able to pick this place first because we were first to sign up, and our bedroom comes with a lanai outside. So every single morning we go out there, we sit out there, spend the evenings there. It is such a nice spot to have during quarantine, and it's our nice little outdoor getaway. Last but not least is the backyard. So over here we have a grill, which is so nice to have, a lime tree. Over there, I've never had that before, but I'm super excited to try it when it's ready. It's a really big area with an outdoor shower. This is where our laundry is as well. Yeah, just a super nice place to hang out, relax, and get outside without having to leave the house. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe if you want to see some more fun Hawaii content that we will have. And bye.